Is it worth anything? Today's video, we're talking about Lladro Porcelain Figurines. Lladro Porcelain Figurines were started in Spain in 1953 by three brothers whose last name was Lladro. They started showing up, the porcelain figurines started showing up in the States in the mid-60s. Now, if you have ever come across these, you know that they just are superior to other figurines. The finish that they put on them is just amazing. It's very different than anything else, and if you go to their website, you can read all about how they do the process and everything. I have never had any trouble selling those. When I have them for a client, I actually take them to a consignment shop near me, and they sell furniture and nice home goods and things like that. I called them this week. Now, they had several in their case. The smaller ones were going for $21 to $50, and the larger ones were going for $105 to $183. So not a lot of money for them, but you can sell them. I checked eBay, and the ones that went off in about the last few days were anywhere from $25 to $119. But there was one set that was Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs was $2,295. So evidently some of them still sell very well. So can you sell them? Yes, you can, but you're not going to get anywhere near the kind of money that you paid for them. And that's the really important thing to remember with all of these kind of collectible items. If you buy them because you love them and you enjoy them, that's great. Just don't buy them for investment because you're not going to get the money out of them that you put into them. If you do want to sell yours, a consignment shop is a great option. There's also a site called a retiredcollection.com. And if I understand the site correctly, you can post pictures of the pieces you want to sell, and they will match you up with people who are looking to buy those. So, is it worth anything? Yes, but you're not going to get what you paid for it. If you would like to learn more about what items in your home might fall into the category of antiques and collectibles and possibly be worth money, check out my book, Beginner's Guide to Antiques and Collectibles. It's available on Amazon.com for $24.95.